Okay, so I just went to my friend's house, and while my dad was going to the cafe, with his, like, the dad of my friends, well, they go into a pretty small car crash. Well, I don't think it's really small, but it's really big. Like, the back has lots of damage. Probably not. Yeah, definitely not drivable anymore. Oh my god, this is like the first time I've actually like seen like a broken car like right in front of me. It's actually like crazy. Like the back
The front okay?
isn't working anymore.
So when you get here, you're fine.
Now the
Ram is the one who was in the back.
front
How's the back?
Bad.
is okay.
Where's the glass coming through that?
Did anyone get hurt in the back?
Look at the glass.
No, it's not.
Oh my god. It's crazy. The damage.